Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to request card in Clash Royale. In Clash Royale, requesting cards is a great way to get the cards you need to upgrade your deck. So in order to request cards, first of all, you'll need to open up your Clash Royale application and get to this home page. Once you're inside the home section, tap on the clan tab at the bottom. Remember that you'll need to join a clan first. If you haven't, make sure you join a clan before requesting a card. Once you've joined a clan or created a new clan, go to the bottom left corner and make sure to tap on the request cards button. If you don't see the request card option, make sure that if you've just joined a clan, you may need to wait a few hours before you can make your first request. After you tap on the request card option, select the card you want to request. You can request common, rare, or epic cards, but you will not be able to request legendary cards. Select the card you want to request. I'm just gonna select this one over here. After you do that, click on the request button. Your clanmates will see your request and can donate cards to you. The more active you are in requesting and donating, the faster you'll progress. That's how you can easily request cards in Clash Royale in just a couple of steps. You can request cards every 7 hours. After making your first request, you'll need to wait for 7 hours so that you can request another card as well. So I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Clash Royale tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.